Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how we can embed Canva in WordPress website. So first, open your Canva design. So for example, this graphic design over here. So whenever you'd like to change the design in Canva, it will automatically update your WordPress website. So once you have the design, so you just have to click on the share button right there at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here, select on more button right here at the bottom. And then we will go and find the embed section. So click on this embed option, and then you will find the link right there at the top, HTML embed code. So you just have to click on the copy button. Once you copy the HTML code, you want to go here on your WordPress dashboard. Here on your WordPress dashboard, go to the pages section and click on add new page. So from here, as you can see on this page section, you just have to paste the embed code. So basically you can pick a predefined layout or start with a blank page. So click on blank page, for example, and then I just want to change the title into like portfolio. So tap right here. And once done, click on the plus icon right there at the right side of your screen, right over here to add a block. And then from here, go to the search box and type HTML and click custom HTML. So here you just need to paste the embed link that we have just copied in Canva. And then we can customize this one. And once done, click on the preview button right here at the top of the section. So as you can see, you will find your graphic design from Canva. And once you've done here, click on the publish button at the top right, and then you will preview this design to your WordPress website page. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.